I'll just start to introduce James, our first speaker. He's got a wealth of experience in mining engineering, construction, and nuclear engineering. And I think he's got more degrees than anybody else, I reckon, with degrees in mining engineering, mechanical engineering, and nuclear engineering, as well as project management and accountancy. So, chartered engineer, chartered physicist, chartered management professional, and professional engineer. Fantastic. So, James is going to present on the Lost Sheep project today in Utah. Thank you.
The US imports somewhere in the region of about 600,000 tonnes a year, but that doesn't include all the downstream products like hydrofluoric acid or anything that can be manufactured.
Hi, I'm Nathan Child. I'm a geologist for ARES Strategic Mining. I've been on this project since 2020. We've gone through various drill programs, and this is an example of our latest drill program that we have at the Lost Sheep Mine in Utah.
Thanks very much for tuning into this this interview with Mr. Bob Lee. Just to give Bob a bit of a background, Bob is a director of our company and was one of the first initial investors into ARES. Bob is an expert in the fluorspar industry, not just manufacturing the fluorspar, but also equipment design, and actually was behind a lot of the equipment that we'll be using on our own production of our lumps and our acid spar as well. So,
we have big interest to invest in the project. So I went there, I saw the mine by myself, and I saw the big potential for the reserve of that project. So that's the reason we made decision to invest that project. In history, normally for that kind of products, normally the traditional way, they use the hand-pick way to get the high-grade lumps. We have a good technology for flotation plant also. So we were involved for the whole project of lumps plant and flotation plant, both. So we transfer technology to ARES mining, and we provide the best technology for lumps plant and flotation plant for ARES mining. That's what we are doing for ARES mining.
yeah, and just to add on to that, the reason why that's incredibly important, and Bob mentioned it too, is that take China as an example. When they were making lumps, they were just using one, like they were hand cobbing it, but one worker could maybe do half a ton a day. So and our plants could do hundreds of tons. It's not a technology that everyone has. For instance, we're here at this fluorspar conference in Mongolia at the moment, and even just talking to a lot of individuals here in the industry, they are still not being able to manufacture fluorspar products as well as Bob can now. So having his involvement in this is obviously a big de-risking for our operation.
Like, look at now in China, what happened in China. I think UV cars could be the future. And yeah, definitely they consume a lot of critical minerals like fluorspar. And US, all the fluorspar import from other countries. So I think we are very competitive.